How to close Google Form responses. If you've created a Google form and you want to stop accepting responses, I'll show you exactly how to close your form in just a few easy steps. Whether your form is for a survey, quiz, or even registration, closing it is quick and simple, so let's get started. First things first, open your Google Drive and go to the form that you have created. Or you can simply open Google Forms on your browser, or you can open the Google Forms app as well. Now, after you've simply opened it, click on the Responses tab at the top of your screen. This is where you can see all the responses you've received so far. Now, at the top of the screen, here you can find a Send option. From there, you can find an option that says Accepting Responses. Just toggle that option off. Once you've toggled the button off, simply tap on Save and that's it. Now you know how to close your Google form and stop accepting responses in just a few quick steps.